Good morning, traders. So, good morning. Good morning, traders. So. How are you doing, guys? Hello, Fahad. Morning, Arash. I'm great. Just looking at the charts right now. So, how are you? Great. Yes, Fahad, I'm really great. I'm very excited because today is the last day for me for this year. And then the next couple of days are going to be a break, and then next week everything will start with the new year. So let me just check my calendar over here. Yeah, basically that's it. So for me right now, this is the last trading day. Then I will take off the next 4 days, enjoying the new year then, and then I will trade from Monday to Tuesday. On Wednesday, we have in Germany, we have is a celebrity day, so everybody has, it is not a working day, and then again from Thursday to Friday it is a trading day. So that's how I'm going to also post analysis for you, so just for you to keep in mind. So we're going to trading today, last trading for 2020, and then here no trading, and then we're going to do normal trading. Since then, every single day we're going to trade, because maybe you've noticed that I always took 1 day off during the week, but I'm going to change this right now. So I'm going to publish for you analysis right now every single day, except it is an celebrity day here in Germany. So then I'm not going to make analysis on that specific day, but basically I'm going right now to publish some more charts for you, some more analysis, also some more live streams, as we can see a lot of people of you are joining it. And yeah, I'm going to continue with this. So yeah, good morning, Osama from Morocco. Love's back from Germany here. Hello, Christian. Good morning, Darius. How are you today? I'm great. I'm super excited for the last day. Let's see what the charts are telling us, guys, I would say, okay? So let's get right into analysis. Let's start with some pairs. I asked you in the Telegram channel about the pairs that you want me to cover up. And yeah, we got over here 7 comments. So EURUSD, EURUJPY, AUD USD, USD CHF, EURUSD, of course, gold, DXY. Could you please explain me the correlation between the stock exchange and the Forex market? Many thanks. Okay, we're going to cover up all those topics today. And let's see. Good morning from Munich. Guten Morgen, Lawrence. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen aus Regensburg. Okay. Then, guys, let's start with the DXY. And what we can see right now from the first thing is that if you have a look right now on the monthly candle, it looks super bearish. You can see absolutely no wicks, but we still have 1 day and 17 hours to go before the monthly candle will close. So I'm very curious how this is going to happen, because this will be the most important thing right now for all the dollar pairs that we have over here on the watch list. So for EURUSD, for GBPUSD, so for every single pair that is correlated with the dollar, it has a big impact, because I already told you guys that we have here this strong level of demand. So at a level of demand, what you basically do expect is that the price should go up a little bit, okay? It should give us definitely some sort of reaction. And if we're switching down to the lower time frames, we can only see from a weekly perspective that the market has given us this blue pin bar. That's it. That's everything which the market is giving us, but it looks like the price will simply just drop down, okay? I mean, we would like to see dropping down because we got here the structure, so I'm going only to repeat right now the structure. We got over here the last higher high. During this movement to the downside, we created the first lower low, then lower high over here, and then again, we're about right now to create the next lower low. So this is what I do expect. I want to see the market moving down lower, but from a weekly perspective, from a daily perspective, we could easily see the price bouncing a little bit to the upside before the price will give us this kind of movement to the downside. So I cannot expect that the price should continue to drop down in straight lines, because this is not how the market is moving, okay? And this is the thing which, yeah, I was a little bit cautious right now the last couple of days. This is why I closed basically all GBP USD trades that I've opened, because I was super bullish. But then I noticed yesterday a gap. There was a gap, and the gap is still here. The gap is still not filled. And this is the thing why I'm a little bit concerned about, because normally what you see is that the market is always going to fill in those gaps. And right now, if we're switching right now to the daily in the first place, like right now, we can see that the market did not give us any kind of correction during the strong movement to the downside, meaning that it is very, very possible that the market will start a move to the upside from this level of demand, because this is right now level of demand. It is the structural low, okay? So what the market always likes to do is market likes to go to previous structure low, okay? But from that level, you will always see some reaction. You will always see some movements in a certain direction. And right now on the DXY, it looks like the price is going to move up higher. Let's see how the 4-hour candle will close. At the moment when this candle will close as a bullish candle, then we can expect that the price should go up to the upside, okay? I don't know how far it will go to the upside, but we have good chances that it is going to move up a little bit higher than expected. So we could definitely expect that the price should come about this level over here. This is the next level of resistance, the next level of supply for sure. And yeah, definitely a possibility on the DXY. What does it mean for us right now? Well, basically, if this is going to happen, if we're going to get this movement over here to the upside, then the price on all the other dollar pairs is going to drop down today, okay, or the next couple of days. We don't know how long this will take. Basically, we got good chances that then we're going to see a drop, and this is why I exceeded yesterday. This is why I closed my trades on GBPUSD. I also took a nice Gbp Jpy short trade yesterday. Was it just a quick scalp with 1 to 2.5 risk reward? So it was kind of a nice trade which I took yesterday for Gbp Jpy short, but it was exactly at the moment where, yeah, I was expecting that the GBPUSD is going to drop down, because, yeah, maybe the DXY would have the chances to go up, okay? It was exactly at this moment when we tapped in this area. And as you can see, the market tapped into this area, went all the way to the upside, okay? But then it filled in the wick because it was a bearish candle. So the market basically just filled in the gap. The wick, which is completely okay. But right now, if this candle will close as a bullish one, we will definitely see another reaction to the upside. And that's basically it. This is why you should be a little bit cautious right now of trading the dollar pairs. Okay, then I see in the comments right now GBPUSD. So I'm always going to analyze the pairs that you write down over here in the live stream, and then I'm going to switch down to the Telegram channel to check out what comments we have there. Okay, so let's continue then straight to GBPUSD. The situation is still the same, okay? Also, if you have a look right now on the monthly candle, super bullish, okay? I would love to see the price closes like this, because then everything is confirmed, because then the price broke through this level of resistance, okay, we then got a clean break of this resistance, and we can definitely expect that GBPUSD is going to rise up to our final target, which is 1.42 and 1.40. Okay, this is all across this supply area on the monthly time frame. So we definitely want to see the price reaching that level, but we can also see the price is giving us this nice impulse followed by this correction, and again impulse, and this impulse should take and bring us till this level. Okay, of course, if this candle will close right now like this, we can definitely expect the next monthly candle to retrace a little bit, of course, and then giving us this movement to the upside. This is going to be then the break plus retest of this resistance. Okay, and yeah, like I told you over and over again, we got several other confirmations for GBPUSD. We got the support, we got this demand area, we got the W formation, and as you can see, the market is always moving from zone to zone. Okay, and then at this zone you will look for reaction to the downside. This is exactly what the market is giving us, and then in this case, because you got the W and the impulse leg to the upside, you want to see right afterwards the continuation to the upside. And that's basically it, guys. This is how I do my analysis right now in the monthly time frame, and right now I would like to see the market come to this area over here. So this is the next zone which I would like to see the market is going to hit. Okay, so this is how I trade zone to zone. That's it. Let's go to the weekly, guys. Weekly, super bullish for me. Okay, still super bullish. The market is giving us a small correction to the downside to test this previous support, this previous resistance, which is right now turned support. Also, if you drag it more to the left, you can see that this was a strong level of previous resistance, and the market simply just broke through it with the last weekly candle. Right now it was testing it, and we can expect the continuation to the upside. Okay, definitely we can expect it, but let's see how the market will develop. Okay, because right now, like I told you, on the DXY we would like to see the market dropping more to the downside, that the DXY will go up. Let's see what the GBPUSD is telling us from the lower time frame, so from daily, 4 hours, and the 1 hours. Okay, the daily, guys, is in kind of an indecision. If you ever look right now, it looks like kind of this triangle pattern right now. Okay, looks like that. Basically, this triangle pattern then should break to the upside. Definitely should. But this is not a pattern which I'm going to use right now because it's not very clear for me because of a lot of fake outs and stuff like this. But it looks like the market is right now just giving us this indecision. Okay, it is telling us indecision because of right now we do not have enough liquidity. It looks like the market doesn't have the liquidity to push up the price higher. If the liquidity would have been given over here for GBPUSD to bring us to 1.42, like I told you that this is our target, or 1.40, then the market would have already started with this movement. Okay, would have already started with this movement. But what they are trying to do right now is to trap traders. Okay, and this is why me personally, I do expect that the price will drop down before this movement to the upside. Because with this movement right now, if the price will give us this movement right now to the downside, it will collect all the stop losses from buyers. Okay, and traders are going to switch down to sellers because this UK price is dropping to the downside. Also, I've seen a lot of variations of GBPUSD where people are trying to short it, and then I like to see analysis like this. I like to see analysis from different traders, because if I see traders are trying to short the market and I'm overall super bullish, then I know I'm correct. That's basically it, because if a lot of retail traders are seeing patterns for shorting a market, then you will definitely see the market going up. And in this case right now, a lot of people still believe, okay, GBPUSD is going to rise up higher, but we don't know right now from which exact entry price it will give us this huge movement to the upside. Okay, basically we are still super bullish. The market has provided us higher highs and higher lows. That's completely fine. Okay, except right now this daily candle is over here. This was the first time it created this lower a lower high. Okay, this is going to be stuff to illustrate us right now. Maybe you are switching right now to a downtrend, but if you have a look on the overall structure, you see it is just indecision. Okay, this is right now the question where the professional traders are a little bit cautious. They're looking about, are we really going to go up right now to the upside or not? So we need to see and wait for further confirmations. This is what I recommend you right now. The thing is that I was definitely expecting the price to go up, because in the first place we had over here this W formation of 4 hours, which is a bullish pattern. Price went all the way to the upside, but at this moment, at this area of supply, you would like to see a drop, okay? Because the W is also a bearish pattern. You want to see the market give you the move to the downside, and right now the market has provided us this M formation. The price came all the way up, testing this M formation, and right now you expect drop. From the W pattern, you expect continuation to the upside. So what are you going to do? Do you expect this or this? And this is the indecision, which is also illustrated on the daily with the triangle, okay? This is what I would like to show you right now. This is why I just took profit. I closed the positions because, yeah, I don't like right now to have it open over the new year. Maybe we're going to have big gaps. I don't know. I don't like to see it. Maybe the price will drop massively to the downside, okay, and then this is going to provide me a new better entry for my GBPUSD trade. I'm a day trader, not a swing trader, so I don't like to hold trades for several days or weeks, because this is for me just not the best entry, okay? Because I know when I'm entering, I'm always trying to catch the swing of the day, okay? And on GBPUSD or on GBP Jpy or on some other pairs, you always have that swing of the day, and I would like always to catch those movements. So those are movements between 20 to 100 pips, which you can easily catch with a tight stop loss, and you have enough risk reward. Exactly like on the GBP Jpy, I only had a 6 pip stop, and I had a take profit level of about 26, something like this, but it did not hit my take profit level, so I had to close it a little bit more above, but still I had a risk reward of 2.5 R, which is great. That's for me over 6%, because I'm risking 3% on each trade. That's it, guys. This is how I'm doing my trades, but I know from a long-term perspective where the overall direction should be, okay? So if you're a swing trader, you can definitely do this, because I definitely expect that we're going to, go up higher. But what I try to do is that if the price will give us this drop to the downside, I would like to enter the market at this low price. I'm not going to be happy if the price will go up from here. I'm only going to buy it after I have further confirmations. I'm always buying a bullish market in the correction and not during this movement to the upside. This is a stupid entry right now. This is a really stupid entry if you would like to buy GBPUSD right now. So what can we expect right now? Which scenarios, where are our final confirmations to enter the GBPUSD trade? Basically, right now we are at an area of supply plus neckline area, like I told you. So I'm going to write it down for you. So we got supply zone and neckline of the M formation. So we do expect drop. At such an area, you always expect the price should drop down. So I'm not looking to buy at such an area, okay? If you ever right now look on the price, it looks super bullish, to be honest. It looks super bullish, and it is right now here to illustrate you the breakout. Maybe we're going to see the breakout, but I'm only interested after the price will break through this level, retesting it, and then we're going to move up higher, because we got over here still this resistance, and at this resistance we also have still supply. So the price could easily drop down from here. Okay, let's see. So basically this for me right now the first buying scenario. And the second one is if this movement over here to the upside, if this is just an correction. It looks kind of like a correction, but like I told you, it can be both scenarios. It could be typically an uptrend structure, okay, and then the price will easily continue to move up higher. Or second scenario, it is a rising wedge, meaning that hedge funds are closing their positions during this movement to the upside, and then after they close their positions, it will drop to the downside. Boom, we're going to drop down massively to the downside, and then we're going to look over here for a new entry for the market to then provide us the movement to the upside. So basically, this is what I'm looking right now for. I'm looking for a potential drop. Now, how far can we drop? Well, from my point of view, I see dropping maximum till this level right now. This is where I'm looking to buy it again. This is for me the next important buying level. It is a strong level of demand. As you can see, the price previously went lower over here, grabbed the liquidity, boom, movements to the upside. But the thing is right now that this movement to the upside was not impulsive enough from my point of view, okay? It was consist of impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse. And this is why, for me, right now, it definitely looks like we're going to, boom, get this drop to the downside. Because then, this whole thing, you can view then in this kind of correction channel, okay? The market will then maybe go even lower because we got another important level of demand right over here. And therefore, I'm looking right now to buy GBPUSD maybe here or maybe here. Let's see how the price action is going to be. That's the idea right now, okay? Boom. And also, I'm right now looking to short it at this area. I'm definitely right now looking to short it because I don't know if we are going to get this confirmations for that, but definitely not a bad idea to short it at this level, okay? It is a strong level of supply, guys, okay? But like I told you, we got both possibilities. We could go easy more to the upside, or we could go easy to the downside. That's it. That's the idea. Let's see how the market will develop. So, any questions for GBPUSD? Do you have any other questions? If not, then I'm going to continue with the next pair. Okay, then I'm going to continue right now with EURUSD. Can you look at it? Orlando Pink. Yes, I'm going to do this, bro. I'm going to have a look right now on EURUSD. Okay, I didn't know that. EURUSD is super bullish, guys. Damn. So this was the last analysis that I was sharing with you on TradingView. And this is what the market has given us. As you can see, it went up higher, retested it, and boom, strong leg out. With this new leg to the upside, the market basically broke structure. Okay, it broke the structure over here. It is creating right now a new high. Let me just remove everything because it is right now not interested for us. The market is continue his bullish uptrend structure. Everything is good. What is going to be right now our entry? If you're not in the trade, okay? If you are already in the trade, if you've seen the movement yesterday and you entered at 7 o'clock, as you all know, I'm not trading during this hour over here, so I did not see this movement, but this was definitely a nice break of structure. Very nice, guys. This is, wow, incredible movements. Yeah, nice that it happened. Right now, if you're not in the trade, you should definitely look for a potential retest right now. We got all across this area, we got support, resistance plus demand. So this is basically the resistance. So let me map it out for you. This is the resistance, and I got level of demand around this level. So right now, the price has good chances that we're going to test this level. So do not just enter right now your buying opportunity over here. If you're already long, put your stop loss definitely to entry just to be safe. And put a buy limit at this area. Or if you want to be more safe, you're just looking for the market to give you here a nice price action. Then you tap into this level and boom. And you're aiming for the next move to upside, for the next higher high, okay, to rock this uptrend to the upside, okay? That's basically it. This is how what I suggest right now for you to do, okay? As you can see, super bullish everything. also from this point of view, it looks like a triangle, it looks like a continuation pattern. So basically that's it. Also over here you had this W formation, price went down, higher, down. Perfect textbook examples, guys, really. So drop your buying opportunity over here if it will drop down. If not, then yeah, we're not going to take it. That's it. Price is moving very aggressively to the upside. We already hit to almost the 1.23, which is crazy, guys. EURUSD is super bullish. I mean, for me it was clear. I'm going to show you right now from which point we already knew that EURUSD was bullish. It was at this moment here, guys. Here we got this W, price went up higher, and at this moment I've known, okay, EURUSD is bullish. Price went down lower to give us the retracement that we wanted to see after this impulse. And what happened? Bullish, then continuation pattern, bullish. Then I thought about this movement. I told you and I explained it to you on TradingView and on YouTube that this was this kind of manipulation. This was this illustrating bullish structure, but it is a rising wedge, meaning that the hedge funds were closing profit during this movement, and it leads to price to drop massively to the downside. Boom. But I thought about the market will give us a little bit of a deeper correction. Market did not give it to us. It failed over here to go lower at this support, and since then it is quite strong bullish. Okay, and this is why I definitely expect the continuation to the upside. Right now, if the daily will close as bullish, then we have a daily break of structure, and it should go to our take profit for sure. Okay, then let's continue with the next pair. Hello bro, hello Masty. EURUSD and GBPJPY. Yeah, EURUSD we already covered up. I'm going right now to continue with GBPJPY. Yeah, this was the analysis which I was sharing with you on TradingView. It was very simple analysis. I'm going to show you. Also over here we have basically the same situation like on GBPUSD, so I'm not going to repeat right now again the monthly. So from a monthly we expect long-term target 145, 144, something like this. More interesting is right now to have a look on the daily. On the daily we can see this typically this uptrend structure. The price then was consolidating over here for a long while, as you can see. So it went up, down, up, down, up, down. Not a problem for us. Then we broke through this level of resistance, and this is kind of the trap again. If you see a break of resistance, market will go down, and sometimes it will go down lower, okay, just to trap us. But if you know exactly how market structure works, then you would have known that your entry is exactly at this area if you would like to see for a buying opportunity. But still, we have the possibility that GBPJPY will drop down lower, exactly like I was telling it to you on the GBPUSD. We have the possibility price to drop down lower. And also over here looks like this is kind of the correction, because the movement over here which the market started to the downside are very impulsive. Okay, impulsive. Then you got here the correction, and then afterwards you expect again another impulsive movement to the downside to complete this ABC correction, and then afterwards you expect wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, bringing us to our target. Okay, this is kind of the market structure which we could expect, because the market has already provided us very nice confirmations. We got over here this nice W formation, which is over here. You got the W over here. The market is giving us very nice retracements. Let's see how far already. Yeah, already till the 0.5, and maybe we're going to retrace till the 0.786, or at least till the 0.618. And this is what I do expect. I do expect more of a retracement till the 0.618, because it is exactly at the bottom of the demand level. Okay, exactly there you have the most liquidity, because what the hedge funds are doing and what the financial institutions are basically doing, they are going to trap us in all possible possible ways, and they all know about supply demand, okay, and they know where most of the supply demand traders are putting their stop losses. So with this movement to the 0.618, they are also going to trap this stop loss of the demand traders, okay. That's basically it, guys. This is why I definitely expect another drop on GBPJPY. It looks for me kind of obvious that this is going to happen. I don't have right now the overall confirmations for that, but basically it looks like. And yesterday, guys, I took a nice short. So let me just check it in the Telegram channel. I would like to show it to you. And a circle. Yeah. That was the trade that I took yesterday. So as you can see, very tight stop loss, went all the way up to the downside, and my take profit was exactly at 80, and the price just tapped 82, and then it went all the way up, and I closed it around this area. Then after the price has given us here the correction again, and I closed it then. Yeah. But right now, if I ever look on the charts, I can see that the market already went to this take profit level, but I don't know if it would have hit my stop loss. Basically not. At 1 o'clock, let me check. Basically not. It would not hit my stop loss, because this was my entry area of my GBPJPY trade, and yeah, I simply just closed it after the movement to the upside. And as we can see, we went even lower. We went lower till the 60. And with the very tight stop loss, it was very, very good risk reward, guys. This is how I plan right now to do my trades. I would like to use even tighter stop losses. So right now I'm just working on my entry technique to just take small trades like it was yesterday. It just took about 10 minutes, something like this, and it already went in my favor, and we were in big profit. So it was very nice, and I really like trades like this. Can you write down in the comment what trader you are? Are you a swing trader? Are you a scalper? Are you a day trader? Do you like big quick moves, or do you like slow moves? Do you like to just chill, just to enter at weekly support, for example, to have your entry at this level, take profit at this? And yeah, it will just take some months till the take profit level, but basically you're not going to be every single day beyond the charts. So what kind of trader are you? Swing trader, Lawrence. Okay, very nice, very nice. So are you going for a lot of pips? Are you going for big risk rewards? Because this is super important, that if you're a swing trader, then what I would suggest is to use big risk rewards, okay? Because if you can define your entry with a very tight stop loss and you have a very big take profit level, bro, that is sick, man. This is something which I also tried sometimes, but I do not have there every single month. I do not see those opportunities. I only see it on GBPUSD right now, with 300 pips in profit with only a 40 pip stop. But imagine using this kind of movements of 300 pips and just using a stop of 10. That would be crazy, guys. This is kind of the trading that you should focus on to try to catch the biggest risk reward, but at the same time to have a very high win rate, okay? As I was focusing the last month on high win rates and not that big risk reward. So I had a lot of 1 to 2, 1 to 1.5, 1 to 3, something like this, but I have a very high risk, very high win rate. Therefore, my result was at the end also very high. Okay, intraday Christian. Yes, this is also very great. This is also what I really like. I'm always trying to be kind of a scalper, but most of the times it ends up being behind the charts for 2, 3, 4 hours, and I'm just thinking of, oh man, I just wanted to get a nice sniper entry. The market is just very slow. This is kind of the boring things sometimes. Okay, Brahim, you're the best. I really love your videos. Brahim, you're welcome. Thank you for your support. Amir, hi bro, Aud Usd, of course. Also Aud Usd I'm going to do. Sadek, Amr Sadek, morning Darius, morning Maria. Good morning, guys. Good morning. So, we're going to continue right now, which was the first one. Oh no, I did not end the analysis for GBPJPY. The thing is, on GBPJPY, like I told you, we could go down lower, like I already explained to you, to the 0.618 maybe, before the price will then continue to move up higher. So I don't know right now what will happen. Let's see. But basically, this is what I do expect. And then afterwards, the continuation of the overall bullish structure. So next pair is going to be then the USD CHF. I think this is going to be Maria. USD CHF. Okay. Oh, as you can see, I've not been trading it in a long time right now. So this is also what I would like to tell you once again. Just focus on some pairs, guys. Maybe focus only on one pair, because the more hours you spend behind one pair, the more you're going to understand it, the more you're going to understand the specific behavior. But the question right now is, why does even a pair that does have a specific behavior, why is this so? Why does the pairs, all different pairs are specifically different? Why is this so? Question. Why? Well, pretty simple. It is because of the hedge funds. It is because of the financial institutions. For example, let's say Goldman Sachs. For example, they are trading, let's say, I don't know which pairs they are trading, but let's say their top traders, they have a team. They have a team of 5 traders or something like this, and they are trading for example, USD CHF. Okay, they are focusing only on USD CHF. So what they basically do is they're building a strategy. They have a strategy. They have a strategy to make money. They have a strategy to make money out of USD CHF. Okay, this is their job. Goldman Sachs is building a strategy which works. Is building the strategy which is working the best for USD CHF, for them to make the biggest amount of money. Okay, so this is what they are doing. Okay, this is why you will recognize always the same patterns slash the same behavior. You will always recognize the same thing. That's it, guys. This is why it is so good for you to focus maybe only on one pair, because also the institutions, they're also focusing only on one pair. Maybe JP Morgan is trading another pair, or so on. Okay, that's the thing. This is why it is super important to focus only on one single pair. This is why I personally, I'm just very into GBP pairs, because I've recognized on the GBP pairs the same patterns over and over again. Okay, but also the GBP pairs are a little bit different. GBPJPY is a little bit different than GBPUSD. GBP AUD is even more different. Okay, and that's the thing which I would like to give you with this video for your understanding. Just focus on some pairs. Maybe just pick one for the beginning. Pick one. If you're a little bit more professional, pick 2, pick 3. I don't know. I don't care. Pick 1 to 3 pairs and just focus on them, because I'm just recognizing that so many different pairs people are asking me, and the same people are asking me about 3 pairs, but 4 pairs, but 5 pairs, and I just think of guys, how many pairs are you trading? This is crazy, because I can't do this. It would not be profitable. I mean, at the very beginning of my trading journey, I traded everything. I traded EURUSD, I traded GBP Jpy, GBP Usd, Gold, Dow Jones, Euro JPY, AUD JPY, AUD USD, USD CHF, even the CHF pairs, all pairs I've traded every single day, ton of trades, and at the end, okay, I've closed it in profit, okay, yes, because that strategy that I had at that time worked at that specific time cycle. This is the most important thing, is to find a strategy which works best for you and for your pairs. Okay, like I told you right now, every single bank is trading some pairs. Okay, maybe Goldman Sachs is focusing not only on USD CHF, maybe they are focusing on all the USD XXX pair like USD Jpy. Okay, or USD CAT and so on, and you will notice the same specific behaviors behind them, and this is your job. Find those patterns, build your own strategy based on that information. So you can use all the knowledge that I'm sharing with you in TradingView to build it in your strategy and find your pairs which works best for your personality. Like I told you also yesterday, I'm a very risky person. I like volatile pairs. This is why I focused on GBPJPY and GBPUSD. Those are my lovely pairs. I love to trade those pairs every single day because I've recognized some specific patterns, and this allows me a high win rate for my trading. It allows me a high risk reward, and that's it, guys. But right now, if you don't have any other questions concerning right now behavior about strategy or so on, I'm going to continue with the analysis for USD CHF. So let me check the comments. You're right, bro. Just concentrate on one pair. Yes, Christian, that's it. That's the key. The key. One pair, two pairs, no matter, as long as your strategy works. But don't get me wrong. There are strategies out there which work with 30 pairs, for example. Okay, maybe you have the same pattern and you use it for all pairs, and at the end you're profitable. That's not a problem. You can do this. This is right now only my recommendation, because this is how you're going to bring your trading to the next level. Okay. So, Orlandok Pink, you're a scalper. Great, bro. That's nice. I trade GBPUSD and EURUSD. Yeah, bro, that's good. That's pretty nice. What I've noticed when you trade GBPUSD and EURUSD is that they are a little bit correlated because of the dollar, okay? And this is why I personally like to include the GBPJPY, because for me, most of the times the dollar pairs are a little bit more correlated than GBPUSD is with GBPJPY. On GBPUSD and GBPJPY, you have almost the same structure, but the movements are occurring on different time frames. And that's the thing. But this is why I like those pairs to combine, so for myself. But also, if you combine GBPUSD and EURUSD, it is great because they are also a little bit different. EURUSD is a little bit more slow. GBPUSD is more volatile, and having a mix of volatile and slow is also a very good asset. So Lydia, can I change my view of specific pair with you? What do you mean by that question? I don't get it right now. Then I'm going right now to. You have time right now to write your question again or to ask me something different. I'm going right now to continue with the USD CHF, and then I'm going to come back to you. On the USD CHF, guys, the situation is still bearish, okay? For me, it was super clear because of the DXY. Use it as the correlation, as I explained it to you over and over again. And the thing is right now, this uptrend, which we can view over here, was simply just a correction. This is the correction moves that I'm always explaining over and over again. This is the common pattern. Price is correcting and then boom, dropping to the downside. And if you have a look on this area, you will notice it looks exactly almost the same like it is on the DXY. Price impulsing, correcting, impulsing, correcting, impulsing to the downside. So still creating lower lows and lower highs. Right now we are at kind of an area of support. Right over here I can determine some level of demand, and right beyond we have another level of demand. So basically those are going to be the targets for USD CHF for dropping to the downside. Right now, maybe at this level, we're going to see a reaction to the upside, exactly like I told you in the DXY. We may see some movement to the downside before the market will crash extremely to the downside. From a weekly perspective, still super bearish. Let's see how the market is correcting right now. Yeah, we could see a deeper correction, so the price could go easily more to the upside, for example, to test this level of previous support, which right now is going to be turned as a resistance. Yeah, daily is trying to break some structure. It created a low, and it also created an higher high in this case. So this is where things get worse. This is why I don't like USD Chf, because he's doing all and over again patterns like this. And this is why I'm mentioning to you, you need to recognize these patterns. Maybe you have a very high chance, if you have a structure like this, that the market will just simply continue to drop down, or maybe you have the high chance that the price will go up higher. Right now, for me, I'm not interested in buying USD Chf. If you would, my recommendation is to short it if the price will give us this movement to the upside, and to take a nice short for the overall continuation to the downside. So that's basically it with USD Chf, guys. I think, can I send some chart to you? Basically, I'm not offering right now a mentor program or stuff like this. I only have right now the inner circle where, yeah, we can chat a little bit, but I right now don't have the resources to check every single chart that people are sending me. I mean, right now I'm not running a mentorship program. If you would like to improve your trading and you would like to align it to my strategy that I have, then just watch my videos, just check out all trading fee analysis, and just keep going to exercise it. That's it, what I can recommend you. I only have a personal Zoom hour if you're interested. If you would like to have personal mentoring, I only have that one. So, sir, your best currency pair. Yeah, I already explained to you, GBPUSD and Gbp Jpy, those two pairs. Okay, then let's continue with some pairs. We're almost at 1 hour, so let's do some pairs and then let's finish that. Let's go down to the charts, to the comments. Very helpful. You're welcome, Costa. Let me check those comments. So what we got else? Yes, I forgot about Aud USD. Aud USD, and also on the comments we have Aud USD. So let's do it. Well, still bullish. I gave you already yesterday an update. Just a quick reminder on Aud USD. The market is super bullish. It changed from a bearish environment to a bullish environment by breaking this level of previous resistance, now turned support. The market since then was just moving all the way to the upside. It is creating over here this impulse correction and impulse pattern, which is completely nice. We would like to see the overall continuation of this bullish run. I told you at this moment when we were here, we had the chance that the market could go down lower, but as you can see, it went even higher. Right now, very important is to see how the daily candle will close. If it will close and give us a break through this level of resistance, then what we can expect is the continuation to the upside, giving us a little bit of a correction before moving even more to the upside. Okay, 4 hour already broke the structure. Okay, from a 4 hour perspective, it is already bullish. To have more confirmations, you have to wait for the daily close. Okay. So right now, what I do recommend is after this impulse, wait for another correction to try to buy it if you're super bullish on Aud USD. Okay, then next pair, Euro GPY and Euro NCD. Yeah, gold. I forgot about gold. We're going to do, guys, Euro NCD. I'm not trading Euro NCD, so I cannot give you right now here the best advices. I already covered up in the last couple of live streams, and I told you you have basically those two options. Okay, option number 1, price moving up higher or break of this demand going down lower. Right now we're testing it very deep the level of demand. So right now the move to the upside, it's still possible. EURUGBPY can give you more insights. Basically it is super bullish like the EURUSD. We got this W impulse, correction, impulse. What should you expect is that the price should actually go up higher, but of course corrections and so on can be always given by the market, and therefore right now market has created this continuation pattern. It broke through this continuation pattern with very strong impulse, and right now what you can expect is that the market should give you a correction and you should buy the low, aiming for the price to go up higher. That's it. Then next pair is going to be then gold. And if you're not going to comment any new pairs, then I'm going to finish the live stream, or you can also ask me some questions that you would like. Open Sky, love you sir, you're the best. You're welcome. Love's back from Germany. So gold, guys. Yeah, so still the same scenario. We expect the overall continuation of this bullish run, because with the last impulse we broke through this level of resistance. We already tested the 0.5 fib retracement. We already are retesting the area of monthly support. So for me, bullish. Weekly perspective is the only thing which is a little bit difficult, because you can interpret this whole thing in a lot of variations. You can interpret this whole thing as a previous support, and right now it turned as a resistance, and the market already gave us this correction, and maybe we are going to continue up higher. But if you have a look on this movement to the downside, you will notice that this is an impulse and this is a correction right now. And right now you have the possibility for the continuation, or you have the possibility of this kind of movement. For me, I'm looking for this. I do not expect that we're going to drop down lower. What we can expect is maybe that the price will give us a correction to the downside. That's for sure. This is something which could easily happen, because this is then for the market still an area of resistance right now. Let's go down to the daily to see what the daily is telling us. Well, the daily is the same scenario. You got here this supply, and as you can see from a closing perspective, we did not really close above it, so the market just faked out to the upside, go down lower, so on. But basically the whole structure is super bullish. Only the last two daily candles were not good, to be honest. Maybe with the yesterday's daily candle close, we may expect the price going up higher, because this one was illustrating a correction. Price failed to give us a correction. It went up higher, but it's still right now consolidating. So like I told you, my last couple of analysis, I'm not that interested right now in looking for gold trades right now. This is why I shared with you those two possibilities. Possibility price should go up, correction, continuation to the upside, or from here drop to the downside. Yeah, that's basically it, guys. On gold right now. So I would wait in your if you would like to trade it, just wait it. It's a little bit. It is not clear for me right now, just to be honest. It's not clear. We have this uptrend. If we're going to go up higher, then definitely this area is going to be my target. As I already explained it to you over here, is definitely going to be my target, this level. But we could easily go down lower to test this W over here, okay? We could easily go down lower, testing this W or testing this support. So you got all across this area, you got several returning points in the market, and this is why it is right now that difficult to determine which one is going to be one which will help the market if we're going to drop down. And this is why you need just to follow price action in this case. 4 hours bullish structure, but it looks for me right now like a triangle. And this triangle, if it is a triangle, a valid one, then it should go up. Yeah. So not clear, guys. Really not clear. I don't like gold right now. I don't like to trade it right now. I'm just waiting for price to give me some more price action. If the price, for example, will break through this level, if we're going to have a daily close above this area, then I'm looking for correction, and then I'm going to buy it. Okay? And if we are going to have a close below this support, then I do expect that the price should drop down. That's it. That's it. Okay, GBP AUD, the last pair for today, and you can ask me right now some questions if you want. Yeah, this was something which I tested yesterday. I tested right yesterday a short setup with a very tight stop loss. Yeah, basically GBP AUD for me looks super bearish, but it is a pair which loves to consolidate. You can see over here strong impulse correction. Now you do expect the continuation to the downside, which will bring us till this level. This is which looks for me right now kind of obvious that this is going to happen. We reacted pretty nicely at this level of demand, at this level of support. At the moment, if we're going to break through this level of demand over here with a closing perspective similar to this, I do expect the price to drop down. Okay, a weekly has provided us nice impulse correction, and now you expect the continuation. So weekly is also bearish from my point of view. Daily is also bearish. For me, I'm looking right now to short GBP AUD. Also, this whole thing over here looks like a continuation pattern. Price should keep dropping. Okay, guys, that's it. So last questions if you want. If not, I'm going to say goodbye to you, and I would like to thank you for your attentions. Basically, that's for me right now the last trading day, the last day that I'm looking for trading something, and then we're going to see next year, guys, 2021. Let's rock the Forex industry next year. So I'm super excited. I can't wait that the new year is going to begin. Of course, the first trading week then will be a little bit slow, but with the beginning of the second week, everything should be normal again. Strong volatile market and so on. Yes. What does your Zoom video entail? Well, basically, you can Zoom with me 1 hour. You can prepare questions that you have. You can ask me everything you want. I'm going to share there all my knowledge that I have if you want. But before I'm going to start with you the Zoom call, we're going to have a quick phone call to talk about what you would like to hear from me or what you would like to learn in that 1 hour, and I'm going to teach you personally something about Forex trading. Then, Lawrence, basically, I'm just here for learning. Thank you for your time. Wish a happy new year in advance. All the best for 2021. Thank you, Lawrence, very much. I wish you the same. Hopefully, yours will be still here in the community. Guys, you're really nice. So I really want to say a big thank you to you that you're just watching my live streams over here. I really enjoy this time. Yeah. I will keep going with this. If you like the live streams, maybe you have some changes for the live stream. Maybe you would like to add something to it. Just write it down in the discussion group, for example, or just write it down of the re-upload of this live stream. Just give me a little bit of feedback, just for me to know if I'm doing it right or not. That will really help me. And yeah, guys. Thanks for everything. I found this channel 3 days ago. Yeah, you're welcome, Lawrence. You're welcome. Did you find us on YouTube? Or did you find on TradingView? Because the last couple of weeks, I really enjoyed producing on YouTube more content than on TradingView. For me, TradingView is a little bit more boring right now. I just see there are a lot of traders which have a ton of followers, but I cannot see what they're really doing, so I don't like their analysis. For me, that doesn't make sense a lot. Yeah, Brahim, live streams are way better. Thanks. Thanks, Dario. Morning, Amber. Hello, Maria. Yes, YouTube, very nice. Yes, yeah. I'm currently looking to building more YouTubes to put more content on YouTube, because it really makes more fun right now. It is more engaging right now, just talking with you a little bit, with you guys. You asking me real time, so live. You're asking me questions, so it's really nice. I was looking for demand and supply zone videos, and one of your videos stood up. Oh, okay, crazy. That's nice. Also, I've noticed if you're typing GBPUSD on YouTube, you will find some YouTube videos from mine, and this is something which I really like. So I've just noticed it the last couple of days, and yeah, it is all because of your big support, guys. Because you're watching those videos, you're enjoying this you're enjoying those videos, and this is why they're ranking up right now. Well, guys, then thanks for your attentions. We're going to see then, of course, next year new live streams. I'm going to give you definitely all the updates in the Telegram channel, so make sure to be in the Telegram. This is the most important group if you would like to see all the new information, so not miss anything. And yeah, that's for sure. Vincent, eher long oder short GBP USD, war vorher noch nicht da. Guten Rutsch. Danke, wünsche ich dir auch einen guten Rutsch. Das Video wird jetzt sowieso wieder reuploadet. Ich habe da sehr viel erklärt wegen GBP USD. Also grundsätzlich kannst du beide Möglichkeiten erwarten. Ich persönlich erwarte eher Short aktuell. Nur ein kurzer Einblick. Aber schau dir das Video dann nochmal an. Yeah, Brahim, unfortunately I missed 3 last live streams. Only saw the notification on the last minutes. Oh, I'm sorry for that, but you can simply just look at the re-upload of the live streams and you will not miss anything, okay? Okay, guys, then I wish you all a happy new year. We're going to see them with new analysis, new videos, and so on. Like I already asked you, please give me a little bit of feedback beyond this video. Just write it in the comment section, write it on Telegram, wherever you want it. Write me a private message. I do not care. I would love to hear some feedback from you, and we're going to see you the next time, guys. Bye bye.